My name's Father John Vidmar. I am a Dominican priest, and I have been at Providence College for 20 years, teaching now in the history department. And I am going to make this morning some Perry County corn cakes. The recipe comes from southern Ohio, Perry County, which is Appalachia. And this is a traditional dish which was taught to me by a Dominican named Justin Hennessy, who was a fairly large man and certainly enjoyed his corn cakes. But what we're going to do first of all is we're going to mix the dry ingredients here, and that's going to consist of cornmeal, 1 cup of cornmeal, and 1 cup of white flour, and that will go in there. It's going to be the white flour. Okay, then in this we're going to mix up the secret ingredient, which is buttermilk, and that's going to be 1.5 cups of buttermilk, corn oil, and a couple of eggs. And we're going to mix that all together. Make sure that that's done. And we will put these on a plate. And then you just put on the butter and the maple syrup. And there are your Perry County corn cakes.